Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated place on YouTube for all you need to know regarding your Zontes ride. If it's got a Zontes badge, a dashboard light, or a bolt you can drop into the abyss, we talk about it here. Today we're diving into something every Zontes 350 owner should know: topping up your coolant. Why? Because your engine gets hotter than a delivery driver stuck behind a learner doing 12 miles an hour in a national speed limit. Coolant keeps your engine from cooking itself, keeps performance smooth, and stops your pride and joy from sounding like it's boiling a kettle under the seat. And yes, even though Zontes bikes are built like little titanium tanks, coolant still evaporates over time, especially if you ride hard, ride daily, or just enjoy pretending every roundabout is a MotoGP corner. You should check your coolant level if your temperature gauge climbs faster than your heart rate when you drop your phone, if you hear the fan kicking in more often than your neighbor complains, or if you simply haven't checked it in months, which means you definitely need to check it. Right, let's get hands-on. This applies to the 350T, 350X, GK350, and the 350R. Zontes kept the coolant system layout pretty much the same across the range, so the steps are universal. Make sure the bike is cold, not warm, not just nipped to the sharp. Cold. Unless you enjoy steam facials. Zontes loves hiding things like it's a treasure hunt, but the coolant reservoir COP is always near the radiator top. Also check the translucent coolant tank. You'll see N and max marks. If the level is below N, your bike is basically whispering, "Help me." Use recommended green coolant. Don't use water. Don't use screen wash. Don't use that mystery bottle in your shed. Proper coolant only. Top up slowly until you hit the max line. No need to overfill. It's a coolant top-up, not a pint-pouring competition. Now check the radiator itself. Open the radiator cap only when the bike is cold. If the radiator isn't full to the brim, top that up too. This is the part most riders forget, and it's the difference between "runs perfect" and "why is my fan screaming like a banshee?" And that's it. Your Zontes 350 is now hydrated, happy, and ready to take on the world without melting itself. If this helped you out, or at least made you laugh while you learned, hit like, smash subscribe, and join the Zontes family. More guides, more fixes, more laughs, all right here.
I'm coming for the throne.